Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your identity on Binance app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a Binance logo at the top left corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that Binance logo, and now you can see your username at the top on screen. So let's tap on that username, and now you can see there is a verifications option just right above of this a security option. So let's tap on that verifications, and now you will be redirected to the identity authentication, where you need to verify yourself by giving your national ID card. And yeah, it will take maybe 15 minutes. So once you verify yourself, you will be able to verify your identity successfully on Binance app. So basically this is how you can verify your identity on Binance. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.